Oh my gosh, this is gorgeous. What is this? Oh.
Had the kids make you a little art because we took their art off the wall.
Oh my gosh, I keep coming back to the fact that the walls are white, and so the whole house just feels bright and alive and not sad and brown.
Dark and brown.
Ugh.
Remember the sign you had
Yes,
above the
yes.
mantle, and it said, the kitchen's for dancing. So all of those colors were the inspiration for this kitchen.
Oh my gosh, it's so different. Wow, this is like a different yard. You know, the old one we had out here, that little dinky one, this does feel like a step up.
Look at this beautiful siding. It's gorgeous.
Holy cow.
So adult.
Yeah. Yeah.
So beautiful.
I know. Let's take a walk. Let's check it out.
This room used to be your everything room. Now, it's the grown-up dining room you wanted, but it can still serve more than one function, with a comfortable window seat for Lisa, and look at this cozy nook for Mike with this beautiful lamp.
What is this piece? It's gorgeous.
That's for all of your dining room storage, and it is a gift from us to you.
And it's all hand carved. Well, can you believe the difference of just pushing this wall back a little bit?
Right.
On both
Yeah.
sides.
This feels open now.
It is.
Feels like one flowy
It flows
space.
and it opens it up exactly how
And
we
that
wanted
was
it to
our
be.
problem.
What you had before was sort of like part mudroom, part pass-through, part cramped hallway. But this is a kitchen for a family of 6.
We've all seen those amazing house flipping shows, right? Dilapidated dumps transformed into dream homes, big profits. It's tempting, isn't it? But is flipping houses really as easy and glamorous as it seems on TV? And more importantly, is it the right move for you? I'm Anthony Coleman, a real estate pro, and today we're getting real about fixer-uppers. We're diving into the nitty-gritty of what it really takes to evaluate a potential flip, crunch the numbers, and decide if this high-stakes game is your next big adventure. The house flipping game, more than meets the eye. The basics sound simple, but successful flipping isn't just about swinging a hammer. You need to be a savvy investor with market knowledge, knowing your local trends, neighborhoods, and what buyers want is key. Financial skills. Can you estimate rehab costs accurately? Factor in those holding costs. Project management chops. Dealing with contractors, permits, delays. It's not for the faint of heart. A strong stomach for risk. Things go wrong, budgets get blown, markets change. Can you handle it? Is that fixer-upper a dud or a diamond? Not every old house is worth flipping. Here's how to evaluate. The numbers game, ARV, after repair value, what it's worth, fixed up. Compare to recent sales in the area. Rehab costs. Get real estimates from contractors, not just guesses. The 70% rule. Don't overpay. This rule helps you stay profitable. Location, location, location. Hot neighborhoods. Think schools, amenities, safety. What makes it desirable? Future potential. Is the area on the upswing? Development plans matter. The scope of work, cosmetic or structural? New paint is one thing. Foundation issues are another beast entirely. Be honest about your DIY abilities, your wallet and time. Can you afford it? Not just the purchase, but the rehab and months of holding costs. Do you have the time? Flipping is a second job until it's done. Is flipping your thing? This is the real question. Flipping is exciting, but it's not easy money. Ask yourself, got the funds? Can you finance it? Got the time? Can you dedicate serious hours? Got the guts? Can you stomach the risk? If you got the answers, the drive, and the smarts, flipping can be incredibly rewarding. But it's not for everyone. Do your due diligence. Be honest with yourself. And if it doesn't add up, walk away. Like this video, hit that like button, and subscribe for more real estate insights. If you're still on the fence about flipping, Drop your questions in the comments. I'll do my best to help you decide if it's the right path for you.